In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from OKX wallet to OKX Exchange. So I have my OKX wallet opened in here, as you can see, and I have some crypto in it. And if I want to transfer this to Exchange, then first we need to go to our OKX Exchange. So we're going to click on this arrow down in here, and then we're going to click on Exchange in here. And what you're going to do when you're transferring crypto from your OKX wallet to your OKX Exchange is basically the same thing, because your OKX wallet is automatically loaded inside of your OKX Exchange, as you can see. And if you want to deposit something on this exchange, then you need to click on deposit in here, and then you need to click on deposit crypto. And once you do this, you're going to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So let's say we want to transfer Bitcoin, then we're going to click on BTC. And then from here, due to regulations, you need to fill in the sender when you are in the EU. So if it's to yourself, go ahead and fill in my private wallet in here, then go ahead and click on continue down below, then click the slider to the right. And if you do that, you will start your transfer. So let's go ahead and do this. And then in here, we see our wallet address. So right now you can just go ahead and copy this wallet address in here and then go over to your OKX wallet to make some sort of transfer. But again, as I already told you, your OKX wallet will actually display the same amount of crypto as in your OKX Exchange. So this is only handy when you want to deposit crypto from something else. So that is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.